Hello techies, welcome back to Power Automate Desktop Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a subflow. First of all, once again, let's recap about the purpose of the subflows. If you see simply, we are going to use this subflow for the reusability and reduce flow development time. That is first. Another one, consistency and increase maintainability of the flows. And third one, flexibility to tailor a subflow to a specific context. Now, in which situation over here in this particular use case that I'm going to create a subflow? Over here, let's assume in my entire flow, which I have created working with subflows, I want to use the database for multiple times. In this case, I'm going to create a subflow for the portion of the database. Over here, you can see I'm having open SQL connection, execute SQL statement, and close SQL connection. These three steps are the group of steps I'm going to create a subflow. All right, how can we go ahead and create a subflow over here? If you see over here, I'm having main flow as well as over there you can find subflows. You are having an option over here to drop down, click on that. And you can see over here the main and the plus icon you can see over here to create a new subflow. Click on that. I'm going to give the name over here as database underscore subflow. And then I'm going to click on save. And you can see over here a new subflow has been created with the name of database underscore subflow. All right. Now what I'm going to do from this main flow, I'm going to move all these set of actions to the another flow that is database underscore subflow. All right. Let me copy that or let me cut them by right clicking and then I'm going to use cut option over here. And then I'm going to paste them over here inside the database underscore subflow. And you can see over here, these flows have been moved to another subflow with the name of database underscore subflow. All right, let's go ahead. Let's save that. Subflow has been saved successfully. Thank you for watching Microsoft Power Automate Desktop tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Have a wonderful day.